Have you ever stood in front of your closet, staring at that beautiful maxi dress, and thought, can I still pull this off in my 60s? If so, you're not alone. Many women hesitate, worrying that maxi dresses might look too young, too overwhelming, or simply not as flattering as they once did. But here's the truth. Maxi dresses aren't about hiding your age. They're about highlighting your elegance, your presence, and the confidence you've earned over the years. The beauty of a maxi dress is its timeless power. Whether flowing in the breeze or draped with subtle sophistication, it has a unique ability to flatter women of every shape, size, and season of life. And after 60, it's not only about looking good, it's about feeling amazing, free, and unapologetically yourself. In today's video, we'll explore exactly how to wear maxi dresses in your 60s and look incredible doing it. From choosing silhouettes that complement your body, to selecting colors and fabrics that make your skin glow, to styling tips for every occasion, you'll discover how the maxi dress can become one of the most versatile, confidence-boosting pieces in your wardrobe. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets of styling maxi dresses at any age, because style doesn't stop at 60, it shines brighter than ever. The maxi dress has never really gone out of style. It simply evolves with each generation. First gaining popularity in the late 1960s and 70s, it was more than a garment. It was a symbol of freedom and femininity. Flowing fabrics, bold prints, and effortless silhouettes made women feel liberated from the stiffness of fashion roles. Decades later, the maxi dress has matured beautifully, becoming one of the most adaptable staples in modern wardrobes. But here's what makes maxi dresses especially flattering after 60. They offer elegance without effort. A well-chosen maxi drapes gracefully, skimming the body instead of clinging. It elongates the frame, creating a taller, slimmer line, and gives you room to move with comfort and ease. Unlike trends that come and go, the maxi is timeless, never trying too hard, yet always making a statement. And beyond appearance, there's something deeply emotional about slipping into one. A maxi dress has a way of straightening your posture, lifting your confidence, and softening your presence all at once. It says, I am here, I am radiant, and I am comfortable in my skin. Next, we'll explore how to select maxi dresses that work in harmony with your body as it naturally changes over time, because the right silhouette makes all the difference. One of the greatest truths about style after 60 is this: our bodies change, and so should our wardrobes. Height may shift slightly, waistlines soften, skin tones become more delicate, and our overall shape may no longer match the silhouettes we wore 20 or 30 years ago. And that's not something to hide, it's something to honor. The beauty of fashion at this stage of life lies in finding pieces that work with your body, not against it. When it comes to maxi dresses, the silhouette is everything. If you're curvier around the middle, an empire waist that falls just under the bust can draw the eye upward and create graceful flow. For those with narrower frames, A-line or wrap styles add movement and softness. Petite women benefit from slimmer cuts that elongate without overwhelming, while taller frames can carry bolder shapes with ease. The key is balance. Don't let the dress wear you, let it frame you. A maxi dress should skin gently, enhancing your natural shape without drowning it in fabric or squeezing it too tightly. Think of it as framing a beautiful piece of art. The dress is the frame, but you are the masterpiece. The right cut doesn't steal attention, it highlights you. Next, we'll dive deeper into two crucial style elements: length and fit, because even the most stunning dress can fall flat if those details aren't right. Even the most beautiful maxi dress can lose its magic if the length and fit aren't just right. For women in their 60s and beyond, proportion becomes especially important. A dress that drags on the floor can look sloppy and trip you up, while one that cuts too short loses its graceful flow. The sweet spot is an angle grazing length, long enough to elongate the frame, but short enough to reveal your shoes and keep movement easy. Fit matters just as much. Oversized maxis may feel comfortable, but too much fabric can overwhelm your frame and make you disappear inside the dress. On the other hand, a style that's too tight can feel restrictive and highlight areas you'd rather soften. The goal is a tailored drape, a fit that follows your natural lines without clinging. Adding subtle definition like a gentle waist seam, a belt, or even a wrap detail creates shape and balance, keeping the look elegant rather than boxy. Once you've found the right proportion, the maxi dress works its magic. It lengthens, slims, and flatters with effortless ease. Next, let's talk about colors because the shades you choose can transform not just your dress, but your entire presence. As we age, our skin tone, hair color, and even the brightness of our eyes can subtly shift. Colors that once looked perfect may suddenly feel harsh, while others begin to bring out a softness and glow you didn't notice before. That's why choosing the right shades for your maxi dresses can make all the difference. Jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, or ruby add richness and depth, giving your complexion instant vibrancy. Softer hues such as lavender, dusty rose, or teal can highlight the warmth in your skin without overpowering it. And neutrals, when chosen wisely, can be your best friends. Think cream instead of stark white, charcoal instead of flat black, or warm taupe instead of beige. These subtle shifts make the fabric work with your natural coloring rather than against it. Prints can also play a role. Opt for elegant florals, soft geometrics, or painterly patterns that feel modern and elevated rather than dated or overly busy. When in doubt, try holding the color near your face in natural light. If your skin looks brighter and your eyes sparkle, you found your match. Now that we know which colors flatter most, let's explore another game-changing factor: the fabrics that both look beautiful and feel amazing to wear. The fabric of your maxi dress isn't just about style. It's about how you feel every time you slip it on. At 60 and beyond, comfort becomes just as important as elegance, and the happiest balance lies in fabrics that move with you, flatter your body, and feel kind to your skin. Natural fibers like cotton, linen, and silk blends allow your skin to breathe, making them ideal for warmer days or long outings. These fabrics drape softly over the body, skimming rather than clinging, which creates a graceful silhouette. For evenings or special events, chiffon overlays, soft jersey knits, or lightweight crepe add flow and movement, giving that gliding effect with every step. Avoid overly stiff materials that can feel heavy or emphasize areas you'd rather not highlight. At the same time, steer clear of fabrics that are too thin and clingy as they can lose shape or reveal more than you'd like. Look for that sweet spot, fabric with enough weight to drape elegantly, but enough stretch or fluidity to let you move freely. Texture also adds quiet sophistication. A matte finish can soften features, while a gentle sheen, like satin accents, can bring light to your face without overwhelming. The key is harmony. Your dress should feel like a partner, not a costume. When fabric feels as good as it looks, you naturally stand taller and smile easier. And once you've found the perfect material, it's time to elevate the look with something every stylish woman knows well: the power of accessories. One of the most beautiful things about maxi dresses is how effortlessly they adapt to every setting. With the right styling, a single dress can take you from a relaxed afternoon coffee to a glamorous evening celebration. It's all about knowing how to match the mood. For everyday casual wear, choose breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, or jersey. Pair them with flat sandals or slip on sneakers. Add a crossbody bag and maybe a straw hat if you're outdoors. You'll look chic, but never like you tried too hard. When the sun sets, maxi dresses step into their evening elegance. Opt for silk, a chiffon, or crepe in jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, or plum. Stately earrings, a structured clutch, and low block heels transform your look into something worthy of a dinner party or special night out. Planning a holiday or beach trip, resort ready maxis and bold prints or airy fabrics do the work for you. Flat sandals, espadrillas, or even barefoot on the sand paired with a wide brim hat make you look radiant with minimal effort. For life's big milestones, weddings, birthdays, graduations, a maxi with lace details, embroidery, or subtle shimmer strikes the perfect balance of elegance and ease. Add pearls or metallic jewelry, and you'll glow without ever feeling overdressed. And don't forget versatility. With a denim jacket, tailored blazer, or cozy cardigan, maxis work year round. The beauty is simple. You don't need dozens of dresses. Just a few well chosen maxis, styled thoughtfully, can carry you through nearly every chapter of your life. Up next, we'll unlock the secret finishing touch that truly defines your style, the art of accessorizing. Accessories are like punctuation marks. They complete the sentence your maxi dress is already writing. The right pieces don't just decorate, they define your look and tell your story. In your 60s, this becomes even more powerful because accessories let you express personality and polish without chasing trends. Start with belts. A flowing maxi dress can sometimes feel too loose, but a belt brings shape and balance. A wide belt creates an hourglass illusion, while a slim belt adds just enough structure. Positioning it slightly above the natural waist elongates the legs and softens the silhouette. Jewelry should enhance, not overwhelm. If your dress has a busy print or high neckline, skip the necklace and go for statement earrings. With a solid colored dress, a bold necklace can instantly elevate the outfit. Bracelets or rings work best when chosen with intention. One standout cuff or a delicate stack is all you need. Shawls, scarves, and wraps add both practicality and elegance. A silk scarf tied loosely brings softness, while a pashmina draped over the shoulders transforms a daytime dress into an evening ready look. These layers also provide graceful coverage if you prefer it. Handbags matter more than most think. Large, slouchy bags can weigh you down. Instead, try a crossbody or tote for casual days and a structured clutch for evenings. Structure always reads as elegant. Finally, shoes. From sandals for daytime ease to block heels for events, the right footwear sets the tone. The key is balance. Your shoes should complement the flow of the maxi, not fight it. Accessories are your voice. They frame your beauty, reflect your confidence, and transform a simple maxi into a statement of elegance. Up next, we'll uncover the common mistakes to avoid so your maxi dresses always enhance your presence. Even the most beautiful maxi dress can lose its magic if a few simple style traps sneak in. The good news? They're easy to avoid once you know them. One of the biggest mistakes is going too baggy. Many women think extra fabric will hide everything, but instead it overwhelms the body and removes all shape. Flowing doesn't mean shapeless. Structure and movement should exist together. Another pitfall is clinging to dated prints. Tiny florals or overly busy patterns can feel old-fashioned. Instead, choose modern florals, painterly designs, or bold solids that let you shine. Length issues also matter. Dresses that drag on the floor look sloppy and can be unsafe, while too short hems lose the graceful flow we love. Aim for ankle length that just skims the top of your shoes. Finally, avoid over accessorizing. Piling on jewelry, scarves, and bags at once can overwhelm even the most elegant dress. The secret is balance, one statement piece at a time. When you sidestep these common mistakes, the maxi dress becomes what it was meant to be, a canvas for elegance, confidence, and time with style. Next, we'll bring it all together with a simple blueprint for maxi dress success. After exploring history, silhouettes, colors, fabrics, and accessories, let's bring everything together into a simple styled roadmap you can use anytime. Start with your shape. Whether you're curvy, petite, or somewhere in between, pick cuts that frame rather than overwhelm. Empire waists, wrap styles, and gentle A-lines flatter most body types by adding balance and flow. Next, think fit and length. A maxi dress should skim but not swallow your frame. Look for hems that graze the ankle, giving you elegance without tripping hazards, and cuts that move with ease while offering definition. Then choose colors and fabrics. Jewel tones for vibrancy, soft pastels for grace, and neutrals with warmth will all enhance your natural radiance. Fabrics should feel as good as they look. Breathable cottons for day, silks or chiffon for evening. Finally, finish with accessories. A belt for structure, a statement necklace or earrings for personality, a structured bag for polish, and shoes that complement the flow of your dress. Follow this blueprint, and your maxi dresses won't just be outfits. They'll be timeless tools of confidence, elegance, and freedom, helping you shine at any age. Here's the truth. Maxi dresses aren't about trying to look younger. They're about celebrating the woman you are today. Too often, style advice for women over 60 whispers the message of hide this, cover that, dress younger. But real elegance doesn't come from erasing age, it comes from honoring it. When you choose a maxi dress that flows with your body and colors that flatter your skin and fabrics that feel good, you're not just dressing, you're affirming your worth. You're saying, I deserve comfort, I deserve beauty, I deserve presence. Think of this dress as the frame and your life as the artwork. Every wrinkle, every shift in your shape, every change in tone tells a story of strength and resilience. The right style doesn't conceal that, it highlights it. Maxi dresses become most powerful when worn with confidence, not to chase youth, but to embrace grace, because your presence is timeless and your beauty is already here. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which maxi dress in your wardrobe makes you feel the most confident? Or if you don't own one yet, which of these tips are you most excited to try on your next shopping trip? Share your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to read them. So we've journeyed through the timeless power of maxi dresses, from their history to silhouettes, fabrics, colors, accessories, and even the pitfalls to avoid. But more than that, we've uncovered a deeper truth. Style in your 60s and beyond isn't about hiding or chasing youth. It's about showing up fully as the vibrant and elegant woman you already are. A maxi dress is more than just fabric. It's confidence in motion, grace in every step, and a reminder that you deserve to feel radiant at any age. When you find the right cut, the right color, and the right details, something shifts inside. You stop comparing yourself to who you were and start celebrating who you are today. So the next time you slip into a maxi dress, don't just think of it as getting dressed. Think of it as putting on your power. If this video inspired you, share it with another amazing woman in your life who deserves to feel confident and stylish too. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Elders Lantern, and join our community for more conversations on style, confidence, and living beautifully at every stage of life.